Hey my Sky Savers, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kim and this is World of Sky, a world for women and moms looking to save money and get the most bang for your buck. And today we're talking all about questions that I frequently get asked regarding couponing. So I'm going to dispel some myths regarding couponing as well as put you onto some new information that you'll find extremely helpful. But before we get into these questions, please go ahead and take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, girl. Let's get started. The first question that I often get asked is, are coupons for generic brand items? And the answer to that is nope. Most people think that coupons are for just the generic brands or the house brand items at different stores, but actually most of the manufacturer coupons are for brand name products. Brand name products, probably a lot of the products that you are using in your home today. So these are some of the brands that have coupons available in their Sunday paper or online that you can print off that you could be using to save some money on items that you're already purchasing anyway. So some of the brands that have coupons include Crest, Colgate, Dove, Degree, Head & Shoulders, Pantene, Shea Moisture, Revlon, Maybelline, Kellogg, Nabisco, Post, Huggies, Pampers, Loves. There's so many brands that have coupons, and these are brands that you likely already use in your home. Comment down below and let me know if these are some of the brands that you use in your home currently. Because girl, you could be using coupons to go ahead and save some additional money on these things that you already love and that you're buying. Why not save a little money and keep those coins in your purse, girl? The next question that I often get asked is, what store should I start off with if I'm a beginner? What I suggest for beginners is that you start off at Walmart. And the reason that I suggest Walmart is because their coupon policy is it's straightforward. There are not a lot of layers to the coupon policy, which makes it easier to coupon at Walmart. In addition, their prices already tend to be lower than most other stores, and so when you use a coupon on top of their lower prices, you're saving even more money. The other store that I suggest you start out at as a beginner is the Dollar Tree. Did you know that the Dollar Tree takes coupons? Girl, yes, the Dollar Tree takes coupons, right? So everything is already $1, and then you can use your coupons on top of that $1 price. Often walking away with items for 50 cents or free. You can get a lot of free items at the Dollar Tree. So that is one of the reasons that I suggest starting there as a beginner. And if math isn't your strong suit and that's what's holding you back from couponing, don't let it stop you. It's simple math at the Dollar Tree. Everything is $1, and then you would take your coupon and subtract that price from $1. It makes the math really simple, and it allows you to save a bunch of money. However, there are some restrictions at the Dollar Tree that you'll need to be aware of when you're couponing there. The third question kind of goes along with number 2, but it's asking, what store should I avoid as a beginner? When you're getting started as a beginner, I suggest that you steer away from your local pharmacies, so your Walgreens, Rite Aids, and CVS. These stores can be challenging for a beginner because they have so many layers with the types of coupons you can use, what you can't use, plus their point system, just things of that nature. There's a lot of layers to couponing at the pharmacy, and it can be confusing for someone that's just getting started and cause you to actually overspend and not maximize your savings at those stores. So I would suggest starting with some of the other stores that I mentioned, get familiar with how everything works, and then jump into the pharmacies because you can get some amazing savings at the pharmacies. In my class called the Coupon Craziness course, I teach each pharmacy separately in detail. I give you all the deets and all the information that you need in order to coupon at each different pharmacy because they are all different, kind of annoying, but you just need to know. You have to learn the differences and the nuances of each pharmacy so that you can really maximize your savings at each drugstore. In my class, I've covered how each of these stores works, their policies, their point system, what you can do at the store, what you can't do at the store. I've covered all of that in detail per pharmacy in my course because I want you to feel comfortable and be able to be confident when you're couponing, and most importantly, I want you to know how you can save the most money. The fourth question that I get asked a lot is, what are common items to coupon for? So there are coupons for all types of items. Almost everything that you could purchase or buy in the store, there is a coupon for it. It's just a matter of if you care for that brand or not, or if you're open and willing to trying some new brands and actually finding some new products that you will absolutely love. Some of the items include body wash, toothpaste, toothbrushes, mouthwash, floss, shampoo, conditioner, feminine hygiene products, laundry detergent, dish soap, lotion, candy, gum, air freshener, cleaning supplies. The list goes on and on and on. Pretty much, like I said, anything that you use in your everyday life, you can likely find a coupon for it. If you're interested in learning more about the items that you should focus on stockpiling first, take a look at this video and it'll give you a lot more insight into that. The fifth question that I commonly get asked is couponing hard? I hear that it's hard. And my answer is no, it's not hard. It's not hard. But it does take consistency and organization. I would say that those are the two biggest things that you need when you've decided to be a couponer. Because you have to stay on top of the deals and on top of the coupons that are coming out in order to know which coupons to match with which deals. Organizing before you go on your shopping hauls is a huge bonus because you know which coupons you're using on which items, and you'll also have an idea of how much out-of-pocket cost, or OOP in the coupon world, that you should have at the end of your shopping trip. So like I said, all of this is not hard. It just does require that you're organized and that you do some planning beforehand. But once you've learned how to properly coupon, girl, you're good. You're good. Things in the couponing world don't really change that much. So once you know it, you know it. The next question is, how much can I save? How much can I actually save, Kim, with using coupons? And my answer to them is thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. I have literally saved so much money using coupons. I will never stop using them. I mean, never. For me personally, how I shop with my coupons, I save a minimum of 50% on items. I mean, that's the minimum. But most of the time, I'm saving anywhere between the 75% and 90% off range. Girl, did you hear me? 75 to 90% off. You can even score a lot of items for free. 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 But the best case scenario is I've been paid to actually purchase items and take them home with me. Yes, you heard me correctly. I got paid to use the coupons and take those items home with me. Crazy, right? I don't think it's crazy. It's actually kind of normal in my life. And I want that to be normal in your life too. When I teach people how to do this, these are the thresholds that I use, and these are the thresholds that I teach to people so that you are maximizing your savings as well. Just because there's a coupon doesn't mean, one, that you need to use that coupon, and two, that you're getting the best value or the best deal using that coupon. And so I teach you how to understand the differences of when you should actually use a coupon and when you shouldn't. So you will see those high savings between 50% off and 90% off on household items and personal care items. Now, with groceries, there are some savings with coupons, but the thresholds do not tend to be as high as what I just mentioned, but there are still some very good deals that you can find on groceries with coupons as well. The last question I get is, okay, Kim, where can I learn how to do this? I'm excited. I want to save money. I need to save money. Like, I literally need to save this money out of my budget. Where can I learn how to do it? So there's information all over the place about couponing, right? The problem is that information on how to do it is actually very fragmented. So someone may teach you a little bit here and a little bit there, or they're showing you the savings and what stores to shop at and where they found their deals, but they're not teaching you how to find a deal and how to get to that end result of actually saving some coins. That is what you really want to know. And because the information out there is so fragmented, you kind of have to try to piece together all this information. And for beginners, it can be very confusing and overwhelming and cause you just to give up and not even learn how to coupon. I hate seeing this. I absolutely hate seeing people that are excited about learning how to coupon that actually need to learn how to coupon. This can be a financial strategy for so many people. And I hate that all the information, it gives you a little tidbit here and a little tidbit there, but they're not putting it all together for you. So what I did is I created my own course. It's called the Coupon Craziness Course, and it puts all of that information in one place for you. It'll walk you from A to Z on how to coupon as a beginner. Because I think that everyone, literally everyone, I think should be couponing. And because I want you to be able to do this successfully, this course is detailed, you guys. It's detailed. I did not spare any detail when creating this course because I want you to know exactly the steps that you need to follow. There's no fluff in this class, none of that, because I ain't got time for that, and I know you ain't got time for that either. So we just get straight down to the nitty-gritty of what you actually need to know. So let me show you a little bit of what the course looks like. After purchasing the course, you will get login information. And once you log in, this is what you'll see. As you can see, everything is housed in one simple location and broken down by modules. There are 8 different modules in this course that are covered, and a detailed video lesson accompanies each module. You are able to watch and rewatch the video lessons as often as you need to make sure that you are understanding all of the concepts in the course. In addition, there are some bomb resources in this course. As you can see, I've created a bunch of resources that you can download, print off, to learn from, read, review them, and you can also take them with you to the store when you're couponing. So all of this is included in the course. Well, as you can see, the Coupon Craziness course is, well, crazy. It's crazy good, y'all. You get so much value in the course, and I think the biggest benefit is that once you have completed the course, you can implement everything that you learned in the course just the following week after you've completed it. Girl, so that means you can be up and running and couponing out there with the rest of us crazy couponers in no time. There is no better time than the present to start doing this. Like I said, for so many people, this can be one of the answers to helping you with your financial goals. So with that said, girl, go ahead and get enrolled in the class today. If you're interested in enrolling in the Coupon Craziness course, I will leave the link in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. I would love to have you in the class. Okay, so that covers the common questions that I frequently get asked about couponing. I hope that this gave you some more insight into the sport. It is a sport. And I hope that you'll consider taking my Coupon Craziness course and learn how to start spending less money on, toothpaste and body wash, and either save your money or spend it on other necessities that you need. Before you go, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell so you're notified of any future uploads that I have. I do upload a new video every single week, and it's pertaining to saving you money in some fashion. That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in my next video. Happy saving.